My name is Hakim Kyeswa. Currently, I'm the Publicity Secretary of Mukono District, Mainstream. I've been a youth leader, district councillor, outgoing youth councillor, Mukono District, and I've been the chairperson, Youth League, Mukono Municipality. So I'm a product of Youth League. But this time around, I said no, I have to set a precedence by contesting on the SEC position. I'm not seeking for Youth League position. I'm contesting for the position of Vice Chairman, NRM Central Region, currently occupied by Honorable Chiwanda Subi. I'm sure most of you are a bit worried, but we thought these positions are for big people, ministers. You have to change your mindset. Nothing for us without us. And that is our slogan. Before I say anything, I want to assure you we are going to win this. Majority of these positions have been taken by the young people, even on the mainstream. For us in Mukono, on the mainstream, most of the members of that deck, they are below 40 years. Now, why don't we get that courage to believe that we can occupy even those positions we believe that are owned by those big people? So I'm here today seeking for your support as the young people. Our campaign is going to be youth-driven because we are the majority. In Nambole, these old people don't vote, if you have ever gone there. Once they reach there, they sign for their allowances, they go in a hotel, drink beer, having sex, they don't vote. It is only the young people who can stand up tonight to wait for voting. So, this chairman of mainstream, the older people should not scare you, because they are going to come here ordering you to vote for certain ministers. Because for them, even tomorrow they are in Kampala, they have invited all the chairpersons in Uganda. They are going to meet certain candidates without you. Then they will come back to your districts and they tell you, you know, the state is interested in this person, so you people should support this person because he's very close to the government. Don't accept that.
That one will not.
You have to stand your grounds.
Yes.
Others are there saying no, you know, those people, actually those one there, we shall wait for them here in Nambole. They will not come here. You will not see them coming here. I'm telling you. If they come here, they will meet some few people, like the chairman, the deck members. They will not meet all of you, because they know at the last moment they will negotiate with those they think, they call them kingmakers.
Speak on the floor.
There are some kingmakers in Acholi who go to Kampala and they say we are here to negotiate on behalf of Acholi. What about the young people who cannot go to Kampala?
Wow.
I want to be your representative in SEC. Of course, you have a SEC member for the youth, but now we are going to be two people, because I'm also a youth leader. I'm a young person like you. The whole country, my electoral college is about 8,000 people, but I'm sure I'll travel, I'll go everywhere seeking for support. I've seen some of my colleagues work with at the office of the national chairman, where I work as the head of media. I have seen Jamal, Konse. I have seen most of them a part of you. We shall use the office of the national chairman to form an independent task force for the young people. The concept is already done. ONC is for Bazukuru, the young people. So the concept is already done. We are going to have an independent task force for the youth to look for president's vote. That one, rest assured. So due to the time, I'm seeking for your support. I'm going to take your number. Even if I don't come to the last person in your district, I want you to be my ambassador. If you find someone there who can add value to our struggle, to our generational cause, please call me. I talk to that person. because the country is very big, people are very many, but please accept to be my ambassador, because this is not my cause, it is a generational cause. Thank you so much, the organizers of this meeting, for giving us an opportunity.